My name is Justin. I'm a senior paid media executive here at RocketMill. BOC came to us back in 2016 November, and they wanted to grow their online shop presence online. One of the main goals was to grow transactions and revenue, but as a secondary goal was also to move customers away from the phone and move them onto their self-service platform. We approached the brief in three ways. So the first thing we did was attract new customers, and the way we did it was using new channels, which were underutilized, so Bing being one of them. The second thing was launching shopping campaigns, which did really well, but they were technically quite challenging to launch because of the internal setups they had. And worked with the client really closely, and we managed to launch it in pretty much the beginning of our relationship. All of them worked really well. Third thing we did, kind of attract new customers, was expanding into other countries. So they were huge in the UK, but they were also present in Ireland. So we expanded into that area as well. The second pillar of our strategy was taking people away from the phones, which can be quite difficult to do. So what we did was use customers' list of email addresses, basically, that client already had, and uploaded them into AdWords and adjusted the bids based on how prominent they were to the business, what the value of them was to the business, and tried attracting them through display and remarketing and obviously search campaigns. And the final thing, we used remarketing campaigns. The way we used them was splitting them out into segments of the funnel, based on where they were engaging with the content. If they just visited, we kind of set low bids. If they were looking at specific products, we'd go a bit higher. And finally, if they visit the shopping cart and they're already going through the purchase funnel, we'd up the bids even further. And finally, if they purchase, we'd try and re-engage them again. And we use kind of separate messaging for those kind of audiences as well. If they never purchased before, we'd introduce the shop. And if they did, we'd push all the other benefits of them signing up and using the online platform to kind of expand and capitalize on the audience. Results were really good, and client was very happy with them. Year on year, 2016 November to 2017 November, we've seen 61% uplift in revenue, 71% uplift in transactions, and overall 47% drop in spend.